Hello, this is Tech Realty Rentals LLC. Before signing a lease, make sure you ask the right questions to understand your rental and avoid surprises later. First, ask, what is included in the rent? Know what services, utilities, and fees are covered so you can plan your monthly budget. Next, ask about all move-in costs. How much is the security deposit? Are there application fees, pet fees, or any additional charges? Knowing the total amount moving in helps you prepare your budget. Make sure you understand your lease terms. Ask about the lease length, renewal options, notice requirements, and what happens if you need to end the lease early. Finally, ask about property rules. Are pets allowed? Are there parking restrictions? Are there HOA guidelines or community rules you need to follow? Understanding the rules helps create a better rental experience. At Tech Realty Rentals LLC, we want to help make your rental experience simple and stress-free. Before signing your next lease, ask the right questions and make an informed decision. Follow Tech Realty Rentals LLC for more rental tips, property management updates,